Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to open your Cadillac XTS key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a really easy process and you will only need about 5 minutes of your time and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you don't know where to get these or you're just going to be picking one up online anyway, you can go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can get this exact battery for just a couple of bucks. And the only other thing you might want is a regular flathead screwdriver. The first step is to hold down the button on the front of the device, and while holding that, pull out the internal key. Hang on to this key because we're going to use this to pry off the back section of plastic. So we are going to insert the key just a bit in there, not too deep or it's not going to work. Just going to insert it in a bit so we can catch on the lip on the inside of the back. And we just want to pry up a little bit, just prying until you hear that first click. And from here, I think you should stop prying so you don't want to damage anything. And take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into that opening, and start twisting and work your way down and twist, twist, until you have this entire side clicked open. And now you can just open it up like a book and you have access to the battery. Now, let me just show you really quickly what I was doing with the key, just so you'll have an easier time at home. If you insert the key too far, it'll be stuck under this plastic and you won't be able to pry the back off. You want to be inside just enough to catch on this lip and push up like that. From here, we can just pull out the battery by lifting up on one of these little metal tabs, and the battery will come out with this metal component attached to it. You can just push on the battery from the bottom to remove it. Push the battery out, hold on to this piece of metal. You're going to need that in a moment, but you can go ahead and dispose of your old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it back in here, you want to make sure that the positive side that has the plus on it is going face down. So you will click it into place just like that. The positive side you should see through the bottom there. And now we can just position this back in the plastic housing here. So you can see the circle, and then there's this little part on the side. That is where this larger piece of metal goes. So just drop that in there. Want to kind of line it up first, and then you can just squeeze it down, click it into place, and then go ahead and take the back section of plastic and set it on top of the side with the circuit board. And once it's there, just squeezing it all back together. You can put your key back in there and you are done. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to give this video a like, or you can go ahead and tell me down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back to this YouTube channel. We have video tutorials for the devices for pretty much every maker model out there. You can also get all that information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.